Hi, my name is Renee. I'm an appliance care and maintenance specialist, and this is a POV of how I prevent mold from building up in my front-load washing machine. After I'm done using my washer for the day, I dump out any leftover water in the detergent tray and then remove it completely and set it in the sink. Then I take the super cool dolphins-wearing sunglasses towel that lives on top of my washer for this exact purpose and shove the whole thing into the detergent tray housing, very gently, to soak up any remaining drips. Then I remove the towel and use it to dry off the door glass, because if there's any lint or hair stuck to it, especially towards the bottom, it can prevent the gasket from making a tight seal and may cause the door to leak. After wiping the door, I use the towel to dry the outer lip of the gasket, paying special attention to the top, because my model of washer has a recirculation pump that sprays water through the top during part of the wash cycle. Then I gently pull the gasket back to access and dry the inner lip. While you watch me continue to dry the rest of the gasket and then awkwardly forget how to fold a towel on camera, I want to explain why I filmed this as an uncut POV. Whenever I describe this process verbally, I get a ton of people who comment saying that it's way too much work, so I figured I'd show you instead. In reality, this continuous shot only took me about a minute and a half to film, and that's including the awkward towel fold. After I dry everything out, I make sure to leave the door cracked open to allow airflow so that any remaining water can evaporate before folding the towel back up, grabbing the detergent tray from the sink, and placing it on top of the towel to continue drying. If you follow these steps when you're done using your front load washer for the day, it'll keep everything dry and can prevent mold from building up on the gasket or in your washer. And yes, it's as easy as it looks.